Hey guys, you're watching DroidCrunch, and in this video we are going to talk about Heygen. Heygen is a very popular platform for generating videos through various AI features, and it is very easy to use. You can create AI avatar videos very easily using this software. So even if you are a content creator or an agency looking to create or generate videos through AI, then you can definitely use this application. So in this video I will cover everything, from generating videos through the front end or through the API or everything that you may need to create high quality videos. So this is the dashboard or the interface that you will find when you are logged in. Okay, and on the sidebar over here you'll find this create video button. So when you click it, you will have this option in the pop-up where you can select the mode, whether it is portrait or the landscape mode. Okay, and then I will choose the portrait mode and it is having some other pop-up for photo avatar unlimited, just got way better. So these are just kind of some enhancement that they bring in like every now and then. So yeah, I will just close this at the moment, but at this interface, when it is opened, you have option to choose again whether you want portrait or landscape, and here are the scenes. So this is the scene 1, and you can add few more scenes for your video. So scene 2, scene 1 again, and here goes your script. Like this is my AI avatar video. Okay, and here you can choose the avatar that you want. You can replace the avatar. Okay, there are tons of avatars you can choose from. You can easily categorize them based on professional, lifestyle, UGC, community, favorite, or anything. You have options for male and female avatars both, and each avatar has different looks and feels that you can utilize for your videos. And you also have options for the voices. You can choose different voices. Here you have some my voices library. Okay, and here's the Heygen library. So you can choose any voice, you can play any voice.
Hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like it.
Okay, so based on that, you can find like whether you want English, US, Canada, or whatever. Okay, and you can search for the voices. So basically you do have lots of options to choose a very suitable and nice voice for your video based on the avatar that you have selected. And then you can choose the expression. So this avatar uses expressive model which adapts expressions to match your script. It is only available for the unlimited use. Okay, so you can use it unlimited. So you will have to click this button and it will render your avatar after finalizing your script and the voice to preview its movement and lip syncing. So this is a very amazing thing. And then you have this option to upload your video as well, or to record the audio as well if you don't want any pre-built voices. And then you can also click on this button. You can pronunciate, you can click on this pronunciation, you can zoom. Okay, and you also do have options to translate, convert to voice moving, render the scenes, regenerate the audio, and all of these things. So these are very handy to generate your scenes. So this scene is this one, and this scene is this one. You can see over here. So for each scene you can choose different avatar, you can choose different media elements or all of those things. So scenes are the combination of an avatar, the audio. So scenes are basically the combination of the avatar, audio, elements, captions, backgrounds. Backgrounds can have like a solid color background, an image background, or a video background. So you can go with any of the background that you want for your video itself, right? So this is very easy to use, and here is the name of the video you want. And when you are ready, you can actually preview it. However, the preview will have some sort of blur on the mouth, because the preview will use the fallback video or the video they have for the avatar. It will play, but when you finally render the video, only then it will lip sync or sync with your voice or your audio, because each generation takes into account a lot of power, a lot of compute in the background. So no application will allow you to do compute on each iteration. So it will definitely allow you some sort of preview, but it will only allow you to generate on the final render the final results. So here too, when you preview it,
this is my AI avatar video.
Okay, it is something like this.
This is my AI avatar video.
So this is still didn't show much. Maybe it is the photo one. Okay, so avatar are also have two types, like talking photo or the AI avatar. So both are also usable. Basically the avatars don't have much options, but talking photos do have super resolution and all that stuff. So when you use a talking photo, actually it is super high resolution. So when you want a video in a very high resolution or for a short or something, then you can choose a talking photo itself. On the UI, I think it is not much more explicit than in the API version, but yeah, it is what it is. And you can change the looks from here, and this is for the specific avatar that we have selected. You can set the framing, close, circle, normal, okay, and animation you can set, okay, when the avatar comes into picture, what animation you want to utilize, right? And you can set the captions, type of captions you want for your video. This is a really nice thing actually, okay. And when you are done, you can just generate the video and it will be in your projects or in your home recent creations like this, okay, and you can watch it out. So basically it is very easy to use, and you can also find all the avatars over here. You can favorite them, you can listen to them anytime you want, you have time, and you have the same way some voices. You can create templates, have some brand kits. If you're working with your clients, you can use their brand kits to easily create content for them or for your own brands as well. And you can also upload some media over here to be used in your generations in future. And this is a very new feature of video agent. So video agent is really new, and it also uses Sora 2 as well, which is a really nice model recently launched by ChatGPT. And using this feature, you can actually prompt it out like what you need in the video, and it will generate everything from the scratch, and it will adhere to your style that you want. It will follow all the instructions and will generate a short video. So it is what it is. So you will have the background video in the video that you are generating pretty much aligned or relevant to the content that you have in your script. So it will follow the script and it will create a perfect video. Like if you are using it for UGC videos, then definitely it will blow your mind, because the type of content it is going to generate would be very, very effective and very, very usable across all the social media platforms. So yeah, I loved it. It has a lot of customizations. So compared to some other tools in the market like Captions AI, Kling or whatever, this application really does well. It gives you what you need, and it is constantly improving, and there are a lot of things that you can actually use. So if you are using the API and using some automation or something, then you can also utilize that. It is very easy. The difference you can get onto their documentation, and here the avatars and voices things. You can list all the avatars using this, and you can create all the avatar details, list all the avatar groups. You can create avatar video, okay. You can do some polling, status checks. Everything is very, very effective. You will get your payload, and on the postman you can use, and you can also create a full-fledged application out of it as well. If you do have time, you can use that. So guys, last but not the least, let's talk about its pricing. So the pricing is very, very straightforward. If you are using the free plan, you're going to create 3 videos per month, and you can create up to 3 minutes of videos each, and you cannot create videos more than 720p in resolution. and there's some standard video processing computing in the background, and you can access Avatar 4 video generation model that they have, the features that they have in the Avatar 4, which is really intuitive, really next gen. And the features you will love in this plan are like one custom video avatar, 500 plus stock video avatars, and multiple languages and share and download feature, which are not that like usual features you're going to get. The main thing you have to focus is like the amount of videos you can generate, the timing, and the export resolution. So considering that, if you go with the creator plan, you can create like unlimited videos and up to 30 minutes each, and with 1080p resolution. That makes sense. So if you are aspiring creator looking to generate videos, then this plan is going to be really good for you. But for testing purposes or for just fun, you can use the free plan, of course, but that doesn't give you out of table the things that you may need to create full-fledged content or something like that. And if you're an agency or something, you can also go with the team plan that gives you 4K video export, and you can have multiple seats. So 2 seats are included in this plan, but you can add more seats with like $39 per seat for the additional users, and you have 2 custom video avatars that you can create. And in the creator plan you had 1 only, and here you do have 2 custom video avatars that like it can be you or someone else as well. So yeah, that really makes sense. So you don't have to be really appear in the video, and you can use that if you want to use the AI model, right? You do have workspace collaboration features, proofreading transcription features, unlimited photo avatars, and team management features, pay-as-you-grow plan, and you can scale eventually. So these are the plans that you are going to get. If you go for the yearly plan, then you will definitely save some bucks, approx approx 22% you can save on the annual plan, right? And when you go with the API pricing, let me check. API Heygen pricing. Okay, so here you can see that for the free plan you're going to get like about 10 credits, and in these 10 credits you are going to create about 20 videos approx. And the drawback is that you cannot use it for your commercial use, because the video generated with this plan will come with some watermarking, and that cannot go with your actual uses or for commercial uses, of course. So pro plan is best again for commercial use or for the daily uses or for the creator use or whatever you might want. Like if you are creating application, you are going to use the API in the application that you have or something like that, then definitely pro plan would be recommended pretty much if you want to scale or you are doing things in production environment or not just testing. So for testing purposes you can definitely go with the free plan and you can test out everything that you need. But for the production purposes you may need an upgrade that gives the pro plan is suitable for that, gives you 100 credits and everything free plus watermark is removed in this one, and you can create up to 1 minute of video with this and or 5 minutes of interactive avatar streaming videos and 10 seconds of avatar for API access. So this is really nice, suitable. So when you grow, when you scale, you have multiple users or something, then you can go with a scale plan that gives you like a few more credits, like 6 times the credits but only 3 times the price, at only 3 times the price, right? So yeah, it is really, really useful if you go with this plan. When you do have a lot of users using the API that you have set wherever you want, it can be your automation, it can be your application or something, and you can also go with the enterprise. You can talk with them through their sales, and you can also go for some custom pricing. They're also offering some white labeling solution or something you can check out with your team if you want. And that was all, I guess. In the next video maybe I can show you something that I might have done using this, but for now I'm gonna end this video, and I will definitely like to know your response about if you have used the Heygen in the past, what is your overall experience, and what for what use cases you are using such tools, and what type of videos do you occasionally create using AI as of now. And yeah, I would love to find you on the comment section and see your feedback and what type of videos you would like on this channel as well. So thanks for watching, and it means a lot if you came till the end, watched till the end. And yeah, see you in the next one. Thank you so much.